Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious cream and onion potato chips at home. First, choose firm, medium-sized potatoes. Wash and peel them carefully. Then, slice them very thinly, ideally about 1/16 of an inch thick. A mandolin slicer works best for achieving consistent, uniform slices, which is crucial for even cooking and crispiness. After slicing, soak your potato slices in a bowl of cold water for about 30 minutes. This step is vital as it helps remove excess starch, which is key to achieving that perfect crispy texture. Once soaked, drain the water and rinse the slices thoroughly. Finally, pat them completely dry using paper towels or a clean kitchen towel. Any remaining moisture will affect the frying process. Now it's time to fry. Heat about 4 cups of vegetable oil in a deep pot to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Fry the potato slices in small batches, ensuring not to overcrowd the pot. This allows them to cook evenly. Cook each batch until they are beautifully golden brown and wonderfully crispy, which usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Remove them and drain any excess oil on paper towels. For the cream and onion flavor, combine 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of dried dill, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. For that authentic creamy tang, add 2 tablespoons of sour cream powder. Once your chips are fried and still warm, immediately toss them with this seasoning mix. Ensure every chip is evenly coated for maximum flavor. Enjoy your homemade chips.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.